There we go. Oh, oh my gosh. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for being here today. We are going to be fishing this absolutely beautiful lake that we are camping on. Look at how gorgeous it is. Hopefully we catch some fish. Let's go. So we're going to be starting off fishing all the weed edges, and I'm going to be using my Booyah spinnerbait with my PC Fun rod combo. Right now the fish are lighting the spinnerbaits up like you wouldn't believe. That's what I've had the best luck with lately. That's what we're going to start off with. Okay, which patch first, you guys? Probably up here, and then we'll float down to that one. Let's start fishing. Oh, that fish attacked it. There we go. You guys see that fish jump for it? And I don't even have my net out. Oh my goodness. Oh no, it let go. Did it let go? No, it's just swimming towards us. Okay. Yeah, we got a lot of weeds with him. Okay, it looks like it's a nice pike, you guys. Okay, let's see if we can keep him on. Here we go. Come here. Oh, my net isn't even open. Open up! Come here, buddy. I think we're gonna try to get it in there. There we go. Okay. We got him in there without the net fully being open, but that's okay. Wow, you guys, look at him. He's a fatty. A beautiful little fish he is. Gorgeous. Thanks for biting, little guy. That bite was like instant. That was crazy. But they have been really biting lately, so it's a good sign. These little reeds here have been like my good luck charm. If there wasn't so much wind, I would probably be throwing out a Texas rig dinger, but there is a lot of wind today, and I can't fight with that battle, so spinnerbait it is. I really like this colorway of this Booyah bait. I'm gonna have to show you guys. This is what we're using today. Slow down. We gotta fish this spot. Ooh, that wind, you guys. It is not our friend right now. Ooh, he came up and grabbed it. Did you guys see that? I think it's probably a pike with how aggressive that was, but oh no! It's a largie! Oh my goodness! They're just on fire today. Wow! Put that on pause. He's a little bigger than the last one. Look at him. Look at him. Beautiful little fish. Let's let him go. Thanks for biting. One thing I absolutely love is having a paddle kayak. It makes life so much easier. Then I can keep a hold of my rod and fish faster while controlling the kayak with my legs. I always forget my sunglasses, you guys. I promise I have some. I just forgot them. I almost wonder, even though the wind is windy, if I throw in Texas rig, if they will eat it. I'm gonna try it quick. Let's see. I'm just gonna use this one because this one's already rigged on here. We're gonna cast it in and see if they'll eat it. This is the Yum Gadget Worm. And I think it's like, I don't know, maybe 5.5 inches. Oh no, wind, don't take us that way. Keep going this way. Alright, back to the spinnerbait. Sometimes, guys, when you're tossing into weeds, all you're gonna catch is weeds. But the payoff, it's all about the payoff. Sometimes you catch some tanks. Oh my gosh, I must have thrown that on a fish's head. Oh, I definitely threw it on his head. It's a bass. Oh, you're so cute. You're just a little baby. Come here. I'll put you in the net. You'll have net privileges. Oh, look at him. He's just a cute little guy. Oh my goodness, you're so fat. You've been eating good. Look at him. He's so cute. He's just a little baby. That fish must have just been scouting and waiting for bait to come right above it. So we cast it at the perfect time. Or I just aggravated him. And he didn't like the look of my spinnerbait, so he wanted to eat me. We're gonna come around this bend, see if there's anything over here. We'll probably work this shoreline down and then we'll probably head back to the campsite. Well guys, we just caught a monster and my rod snapped. And of course, the camera wasn't recording. I am very sad right now. I'm honestly heartbroken. This is like one of my favorite rods ever. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night, but thank you so much for watching and tune in for next time. Bye.